How can communication be enhanced within an organization like UK Versity? This video explores strategies to improve communication, focusing on both current practices and potential enhancements. Discover how effective communication can boost efficiency and strengthen relationships. UK Versity uses a mix of digital and traditional channels, including emails, WhatsApp, and meetings. Internally, these tools help staff coordinate activities and share updates. Externally, students are supported through emails, virtual platforms, and messaging. However, this approach sometimes leads to information overload and inconsistency. Streamlining these channels could enhance clarity and efficiency. Centralization is key to reducing confusion and improving communication. Communication at UK Versity is spread across multiple platforms, causing confusion. A centralized system would streamline information flow and improve clarity. This could involve adopting a single learning management system with integrated messaging. Such a system would ensure that all stakeholders receive consistent updates. Consistent messaging ensures that all interactions are reliable and professional. This approach would enhance clarity and trust among stakeholders. Engaging students through feedback surveys. Students receive detailed feedback on assignments, but lack opportunities to provide their own feedback. Regular feedback surveys would empower students to voice their opinions. This would allow UK Versity to refine communication practices based on student needs. A two-way communication process is essential for continuous improvement. Engaging with student feedback fosters a supportive learning environment. Collaboration among staff at UK Versity can be limited, with teams working in silos. A centralized customer relationship management system would enhance internal communication. This system would ensure staff have access to accurate and up-to-date information. Improved collaboration leads to better support for students. Breaking down silos is crucial for effective teamwork. A unified system would provide a clear reference point for essential information. This approach would simplify communication for both students and staff. A centralized platform ensures that everyone accesses the same updates. Clarity and efficiency are the main benefits of a unified system. Consistent communication fosters trust and clarity. Policies are vital for maintaining a professional communication environment. Staff training in digital tools and effective feedback techniques is essential. Training builds confidence and professionalism in communication. It supports inclusive and student-centered interactions. Equipped staff can engage more effectively with students and stakeholders. Continuous training is key to maintaining high communication standards. Encouraging two-way communication involves regular feedback surveys and open forums. This approach fosters a culture of dialogue rather than one-way communication. It allows UK Versity to adapt practices based on stakeholder input. Engaging with feedback ensures communication remains relevant and effective. Dialogue is essential for a responsive and inclusive environment. Using infographics and video updates simplifies complex information. Visual aids make communication more accessible for students. This approach enhances understanding and engagement with key processes. Visual communication is particularly useful for explaining regulations. It ensures that important information is clear and easy to follow. Improved communication brings multiple benefits to UK Versity. Students gain a clearer understanding of expectations, reducing confusion. Staff collaboration improves, leading to more cohesive support for learners. The organization's reputation for professionalism is strengthened. Streamlined communication enhances efficiency and student satisfaction. Centralizing platforms would enhance clarity and consistency. Effective internal communication is vital for organizational success. Externally, UK Versity communicates with students and regulators through emails and platforms. This approach ensures accessibility and support for students. However, multiple messages across platforms can be overwhelming. Consolidating communication into one channel would improve clarity. Professionalism and reliability are key in external communication. Centralizing communication within one primary platform is recommended. This would reduce duplication and ensure clarity. A single platform would be the go-to source for the latest information. Centralization is crucial for effective organizational communication. Communication at UK Versity varies in style and tone. Introducing guidelines would standardize messaging. This ensures that all communications are consistent and professional. Guidelines help students interpret messages easily. Consistency in communication enhances trust and clarity. 05. This feedback would help refine practices to meet student needs. Students currently have limited opportunities to provide feedback. Regular surveys would gather student perspectives on communication. A two-way process ensures communication is responsive and student-centered. Engaging with feedback is key to continuous improvement. Staff collaboration at UK Versity can be enhanced with a centralized system. A shared platform would prevent information from being scattered. This system would improve efficiency and transparency. Collaboration tools ensure all staff are informed and aligned. Effective tools are essential for cohesive teamwork. Visual aids like infographics and videos make communication more inclusive. This approach improves understanding and engagement. Visual communication simplifies complex information. It is an effective way to convey important messages clearly. Training in digital communication tools is vital for staff at UK Versity. This ensures a consistent approach across the organization. Training enhances confidence and professionalism in interactions. Staff equipped with these skills can better engage with students. Continuous training supports effective communication practices. In conclusion, effective communication strengthens relationships within an organization and leads to better outcomes for both staff and students. Thank you for watching this video.